प्रणाम, जज को प्रणाम कीजिए। जज साहब प्रणाम, पीछे हमें जिताइएगा। चलिए अब आगे बताइए, आपने लेंथ और डेप्थ दोनों कैसे लिखा है? मतलब यहाँ पे हमने साफ साफ कोलोन लगाया जिसका मतलब होता है ओब्लिक, लेंथ और डेप्थ, बट यू हैव रिटन बोथ। आई एम रियली perplexed so as to how.
No. Firstly, I was quite bewildered that what to write. Then there was one friend of mine, so I was writing the depth actually, but she said you can write both, so I write both length and depth.
एक और है, एक माइक और है।
You wrote your depth and your friend's length.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice. Anyways, so you wrote your depth 8 inches and length 6 inches. So what about the remaining 2 inches?
I think I'll manage with other guy who is having 8 inches.
Nice. Anyways, so her aspirations. The question was, what are the aspirations? In which she's written, my aspirations include to create an arena for herself and soothe her soul as well as for her professional purview, to yearn to climb heights in domain of child development. I think she's talking about her development. There's a milestone which hasn't been reached yet for her. Like in medicine, we have these developments, childhood developments, climbing stairs and all that, right? So you've written in domain of child development, you want to climb many heights. So
Maybe the initial confusion was due to the gender identity disorder or something. Was it? Do you have a gender identity disorder? Do you understand what it means?
It was just for my professional arena. Actually, I was not.
It was not about your development, it was about other children's development. Now I get it. Now I do. Anyways, so yeah. What is the craziest fantasy she has ever thought of is to take bath with champagne as well as to explore the body of her guy at every level. Now, how many levels does your guy have? Is he like that Chinese toy in which you take out the outer covering and then another one pops in and then you take out that and another one pops in?
It's so like that, if you're with a guy, he really is not satisfied. No. I'm talking about. So the guys don't actually satisfy in ultimate sex also. They want something else, So I thought maybe I can explore the hidden potentialities.
The guys you were with want more than sex. More than sex. But you said you have more guy friends. One is 6 inches, one is 8 inches, one is 10 inches.
No, it's just two of them.
It's two of them. Do the two know about each other? Do the two know about each other?
6 incher one.
The other one is alive.
One is dead apparently.
Yeah.
One is?
He was my previous boyfriend. He's no more.
You killed him?
He's no more.
No, I don't kill him. He died in a car accident.
You look capable of killing. Do you know about spiders? Some spiders, they after exploration of their respective males, they kill the male counterpart. Do you know about that?
I don't do that. I don't create a cobweb like the spiders,
No, but you look capable to do so. Seriously, you do.
I'll try with you then.
She wants to try with you.
With me? No, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that for. Anyways.
I thought the way she killed the guy was because she has many levels. No, after 4-5 levels, any guy will be dead. Yeah.
Nice one, Roshan.
How many levels you have? Yeah? How many levels you have? Guys, like there was something called refractory period, right? After one level, it takes time to go to another level.
No, don't take time in going one level to another.
It takes lots of time. You said you've been with 2 guys. Experience तो होगा यार?
Oh, yeah, a little bit.
I think 3 level के बाद मर जाता है यार लड़की तो. Priapism होता है यार.
Have you seen Inception? Levels. Anyways, I'm moving laterally. So what, according to her, is the ideal methodology for sex education? I really want you to give her the mic for this one, please. Yeah. So she's written the ideal methodology for sex education, as per her view, should be imparted in a more pragmatic mode, as it should be substantiated with few solid paradigms. Can you explain to me the paradigms? Can you explain to me any? No, listen. Just can you mean in simple language, हिंदी भाषा में जो हमें समझ में आ जाए, क्या आप बता सकती हैं कि आप क्या कहना चाहती थी? Ideal methodology for sex education.
I think actually through this I meant that sex education.
There are around 1,000 people here. Every single one of them should know.
I think it should be substantiated because sex education is a taboo in our country. So I thought
it looks like people don't want to listen to your paradigms. So I think I'll move on.
एग्जाम्पल्स के साथ सेक्स एजुकेशन करके दिखाओ. यू शुड हैव स्लाइड्स जहाँ पे दिखाओ डिफरेंट पोस्टर्स कैसे सेक्स करते हैं.
Nice.
अगर आप sex teacher, if you were a sex teacher in school, would you make your own slides?
Nice one.
Yeah, definitely I'll try make my own slides with my partner.
And would you show it to them? Show it to the students? Do you think your students can study after that with like? Do you think where do you think the blood will flow to their brains or their other parts?
No, then better I'll show them pawns.
Show them. Normal porn.
How will you make that slides with your partner who is only 6 inches?
8 inches, no.
But he's dead, no?
No, 6 inches is dead.
Oh, 6 wala mar gaya. Then you must have killed him, yeah.
Okay, a hairstyle. What hairstyle do you prefer on yourself and on your counterpart, and why? She says a blonde one, as it's easy to make intercourse without any hassle of leaving long hair, and with blonde and can easily something like that. So, anyways, do you have notion that blonde people do not have long hair? Like, do you have this notion?
No, I don't have this notion, but what I thought of is that at times, what I thought of is that when blonde people don't have long hairs, then it may create a hassle without long hairs, no?
What happened once? I was reserving this joke for Kriti Puri. Listen. Not have long hair. So anyways, once Ritu, right? Once Ritu went to a library and she said to the librarian, I want a hamburger, a french fries and a large coke. So the librarian was like, this is a library. And then Ritu was like, okay, I want a hamburger, a french fries and a large coke. Weren't you?
Yeah.
यार तुम्हें समझ नहीं आया तो मेरे को तो बहुत अच्छा लगा था. पता नहीं तुम्हें समझ नहीं आया तो. Anyways, so why do you think people have pets, dogs and cats? She's written because if your partner is not around, you can utilize your pets to calm down your sexual drive.
Yeah, it
How
happens.
exactly do you do that?
Yeah, people do that with dogs.
Are you ready to?
No, not me. I'm talking about guys in this section.
No. But if you have a mind twisted enough to write that on paper, I think you'll have a mind twisted and sick enough to try out. I don't know. I can't say anything.
So you like blonde and you like dogs. The best gift for you would be a blonde dog, nahi?
Pomerian.
Pomerian, yes.
A blonde dog with long hair. Which breed do you
Long hair, short
like? Which breed is your favorite? Long hair. Long hair.
Blonde, long hair dog.
With long hair.
No.
No? Okay. So
I'm not for her, yaar. दो है मेरे पास यार. काफी.
after she had to write an advertisement for an aftershave in which she has written aftershave helps in attracting other gals forwards towards guys' faces in order to lick it smoothly.
Please, let me tell you this. As a guy, everybody will agree here that it's not the face, it's not the part of body which we like to be licked upon.
And this is one sick lady. I can tell you she's one sick lady.
Seriously, is that what you thought?
Sorry.
And you were talking about sex education here.
No. It was that I know what all we have to lick, but I mentioned it about face here.
She knows how to lick. She knows what all to lick. How long do you lick?
It depends on person to person. I mean,
For your 8 inches boyfriend, how long can you lick him for?
I think I haven't remembered when last I licked.
It's okay.
1.5 hours?
How far?
Half an hour.
For the duration of the movie.
It was for a lifetime basically. He died now.
Sorry?
She was really dehydrated in Ben-Hur. Because that was
No,
like
it was
4.5
not
hours
like that.
long. Okay, anyways. So she had to write an advertisement for an umbrella in which she has written umbrella is the best substitute to have sex in the open.
Substitute is not quite the word. Don't you think so? It can hide the act.
Yeah,
but
it can hide the act, but the thing is that
it
when
would be a sheer insult to the big Johnson. Don't you agree, guys? Insult to the Johnson. An umbrella, come on, yaar, umbrella.
Yeah, seriously, you know, when I gaze these people doing in it park, they are sucking the boobs and all that. They can do open sex.
Okay, I think we've had enough from you. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd rate you, on a scale of 1 to 10 of sickness, I'd rate you around 764. Please, you can leave now. Thank you.
I'd like to call Mr. Sandeep Mahajan on stage, please.
Oh, she licks for half an hour. Give us some applause here.
Yeah, she deserves some applause, definitely. I'm sorry regarding that. And
Half an hour, boss. Come on. Rare species.
764.